Hello. Now I am going to show you the derivation of the formula to find the sum of n natural numbers. Now, natural number means you all know it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So, let us find the sum of them. Sum of n natural number we denote it as Sn. So, Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on. It goes n minus 3, n minus 2, n minus 1 plus n. Now let us write the same thing in the reverse order. When you write in the reverse order, so Sn will again is equal to write this n first and then follow it with n minus 1, n minus 2, etc. And lastly end it with 3 plus 2 plus 1. Now let us add these two. When you are adding these two, we get Sn plus Sn is 2Sn. Okay, we add this n plus 1 is n plus 1. N minus 1 plus 2 is there. Then n minus 2 plus 3 and so on it goes. Then we get 3 plus n minus 2 plus 2 plus n minus 1 plus n plus 1. Now see this 2Sn is equal to n plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So it is n plus 1. Here again 3 minus 2 is again 1. So it is again n plus 1. Here continue again same way. So here 3 minus 2 is again 1. So it is n plus 1, again n plus 1, n plus 1. So you see here all the terms in this bracket are n plus 1, n plus 1, n plus 1. How many times it occurs? It occurs n times. So it is n times of n plus 1. So 2Sn is equal to n times of n plus 1. Therefore, Sn can be written as n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So this is your sum of n natural numbers. I think this is very clear. Now we go, if you have understood this derivation, then click on the like and subscribe button for more such videos. Yeah.